In front of me is XIAOMI 17T, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on More Connectivity Options. Then select Printing. Click on System Printing Service, XIAOMI Home, or any service you have and wanna use. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way. And when you're done, make sure this switcher is blue. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Quick tip though, if you're still having some issues with connecting, you can tap on More at the bottom and tap on Add Printer. Then try to click on this switcher next to Wi-Fi Direct Printing. Hit Allow. Tap on Find and wait as your device is searching for your printer this way. Or if that fails too, click on Add Printer by IP address, input it manually and select Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!